Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I am going to show you on how to share your profile link on Discord. So the first thing that you should do is you have to open your Discord application on your device and then make sure that you have logged in to your Discord account. Alright, here you just have to click on the U option, this one at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then just click on this gear icon or the settings at the top right hand corner of your screen and then scroll down until you can see the advanced option. So this one right here, so just click on it and then make sure to toggle the switch on right here for the developer mode. Okay, and then go back to any server and then try to send a message. So for example, right here, I'm going to use this server and then using the message box is you just have to type out any message and then you'd be able to see here your profile. Okay, so you just have to click on it and then you'd be able to see this section. So just click on the three dots right here at the top right hand side and then click on the copy user ID. Okay, so you just have to click on it. Then after that, just go to your notes. Okay, so right here, so just have to type out this one. Okay, you can see this one on your screen. And then you just have to replace the user ID, this one at the end of the sentence, and replace it with the user ID that we have copied from Discord. And as you can see, we have now our Discord link that we can send or we can share on our friends. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.